Hello, Jim Tech Buzz. New product in from Skullcandy recently announced, limited edition again, the Grind Haze, and they've got lots of features and are on sale as far as I know. And these are buds in a jar effect with clear smoke grey case, and 420 Focus Grind Haze is their name. So let's have a look and see what they look like in the flesh. And these come with lots of features. They've got the Skull IQ, which is really cool. If you've not tried it, you should try it out. You just say, hey, Skullcandy, and activate your features from there, which is pretty cool. So you get your typical USB-A, USB-C, but the plastic one, which is nice, the Skullcandy logo. Your purple booklet and user guide, which matches the box, which is nice. Of course, you've got your app on Android and iOS as well, which is really cool. You get your extra tips in here. And let's get these out. So these have up to 40 hours of battery life with premium audio quality. And you've got the Skullcandy app, but you've USB-C rapid charging as well, which will give you 10 minutes, and 10 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours of battery life. IP55 sweat and water resistant, and of course you got your tile built in as well, and auto connect. So this is what they look like here. Really cool looking. And we'll open up the case. Nice case. LEDs up on top, and you can see you've got something going on there which tells me that might be activated if we remove these tags. And there's a really nice feel to these, so I'm trying to get this up close so you can see. They're not smooth, they're textured. It's like a kind of cloth. So what we'll do is we'll take off these tags and see what happens. Pop them back in the case and see have we any lighting effects. So that's our USB-C charging port on the back there, and this is what they look like inside. So you've got some LED lights there, you can see them on the side of the case, and left and right. So we'll just take them out of the case altogether, give you a look at the case itself. So you can see in here there's something going on there which we'll need to take a closer look at. There's some contact points there, and again you've got left and right. So this is the earbuds here. You've got the Skullcandy logo up top, nice smooth material around them, and left and right on the sides there you can see the contact points as well. And this inner part is plastic, but this outer part isn't, and you've got this purpley and orange tone going on around the edge, which is pretty cool. And that's really about it. So I just want to see. That's not the right way. So I'll swap these around. Yeah, so pop them back in the case this way and see if nothing's happening there. I'm going to try and charge them. And we need a USB-C to USB-C, but we don't have one there because our charger is USB-A. But that's it. Anyway, what they're going to look like on a full tour of the box there. And on the side, they give you that 62.5 grams. You have got 6mm drivers, 10 decibels max, Bluetooth 5.2, tension 3.7 volts, and THD as well. Your impedance at 22 ohms, and it's in a different language. No, it's not on this side. It is the model S2 GTW Grind 420, and that's really it on the box and what you're going to get. But this is just a quick first hands-on look at what to expect, and that's them there. And a nice case as well. It's got a nice matte finish, a nice colour too. I like the colour, and I like this clear case up on top, which makes them look really nice. and it's different from normal cases you'd find, which are normally covered. You can see our product inside, but not the case here with this. So stay tuned for a full review soon on techbuzzlearn.com, and we'll talk to you in the full review. And if any questions, of course, drop them below, and we will gladly assist you as we always do. We'll talk to you then. We'll see you soon.